Want your business document to look professional? In this video, I will show you how to design a clean and modern letterhead in Canva using only your phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mary. I share Canva tutorials, graphic design tips and content creation hacks that helps beginners to create professional looking designs like a pro using your mobile phone. And don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification button because I post new tutorials every week. Now let's get started. If you are a business owner, freelancer, student or entrepreneur, having a professional letterhead helps build trust. Today I will show you how to create one in Canva mobile from scratch. So all you have to do is you go to the search icon right here, or you click on the template at the bottom. Here are the list of letterhead templates that you can always customize on Canva. Avoid templates that are too busy. A clean layout always looks more professional and leaves enough space for your document. So next I will pick a simple template. Let me pick this one. Okay, here is our template. First of all, before you start customizing the template, when you want to pick a template to customize on Canva, make sure that is a template on free, that is free, that doesn't have a claim on there. That is if you have not subscribed to Canva Pro. But if you have subscribed to the Pro version, yes, you have access to any kind of templates that you can customize on Canva. Now here is our template and we want to start customizing it. The first thing for us to do when you want to customize this letterhead template is to rename the template. So what I will do is I will click on this three icon at the top right here before the download button. Then I will click on the right top. Then I will change it. Let me just this letterhead. Then I will go back. Now let's continue to customize this template. All you have to do is you add your logo, you change the brand color, you add your business details. I will duplicate this letterhead template so that you can see the before and the after. So I will click here, then I will click on duplicate. Now let's duplicate this one. So I will click on this text and delete the text. You add your logo. Your logo is the face of your brand, so make sure it is clear and positioned clearly. So I will delete the one on the already made template. So I will add my own logo. So I will click on the brand there. You can always import the logo from your gallery, and if you have uploaded your logo before, you always sit inside the upload instead of import it again directly from your phone. Let me click on the PG remover. So I will use it. So I will click on that square. I will increase the square like this so that it can carry the logo very well. Then you see reduce the logo again. Now I will go to the notch to move it forward like this. You can see that is the work of the nudge. I will also delete the middle logo. Let me delete it. And if you want to add your logo at the middle, you have to change it. It has to be in color, because like this logo now it is in white color, so I have to change it to black color for it to be in the middle. So let me do it. Let me increase the logo first. Let me go down to the position. Let me to be in the center and in the middle. Then I want to change it to black. Let me see if I can still change it to black here, but I use the effects. At least she's showing. So I go to the filters to change it to black. You can see now the next thing for us to do is to change the background color. So we change the background color. So I will click on this, then I will click on the color at the bottom, then I will change this, then this place too I will change it to blue. This place I will change to sky blue because that is the background color, and this place too, this place I will change it to sky blue also. Now the next thing for us is to change the business details. You add your business name, address, phone number, email, website if you have, and the social media. That one is optional, but you can also include it. So you include only the essential contact details so people can easily reach you. So I'll delete it. I want to change the address, so I click on edit. Let's move to the social media icon. So the email, so I will change the icon color. So for me to be able to access it, let me go to the layers. So I'm able to access it like this. All this green circle at the back of the social media icon, so I will change them to blue. So I go to the layers again for me to easily have access to them. I will click on this. I will go to the color, change it to blue. You can see, so this one too. Okay, I'll be able to access this circle. I will go to the color and change it to blue. Then I will click on each email. Then I will edit it. Click on edit. I will move to the website. Next, I will move to the phone number. You click on edit. When you are customizing your template, always leave enough space in the middle in case of any time you want to send out a letter. And this is our before, and this is after. We've customized this template, and when you are done, you click the download button right at the top. You click on the download button at the top to download your letterhead. If you are printing your letterhead, PDF print gives you the best quality. So I will click on the file type. You click PDF print. Then you click on the page that you want to download. So you click the current page, which is page 2. Then you click on the color profile, which is CMYK, and you click on download. And that is how to create a professional letterhead using Canva mobile. I hope this tutorial helps you improve your brand identity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more Canva tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments what you would like me to teach next. Bye.